Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the live version of Alice in Wonderland on Draw to Impress. So let me just remove everything because I did a tutorial, but it was bad. So select this hair and only bangs and color it this blonde and then this brown, 8E7252. For the hair, just go to wavy and select this one in blonde. Then for the outfit, you don't need VIP for this, so don't worry. Get the shoes in the with socks toggle and color the socks white. For the outfit, everything is in the dressing room, so get this skirt, color it this blue, and then get this top and then color it blue first, and then for the lace, color it white, and then for the corset closure, color it black. Then for the sleeves, I'm just going to use these ones because these are like the smallest sleeves here. So select just sleeves and color it all that same blue color. You can obviously make this a lot better and style it however you want, but it's pretty much that simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!